How to record internal audio on AZ screen recorder. So let's see in this video. Before getting into the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So first of all, you have to get AZ screen recorder from your Google Play Store. After that, open up the app. After that, you have to tap on the settings option over here, and here you can see the audio source option where there is the internal audio option. So you have to select this option. If you select on the internal audio, then the external sound won't be recorded in your video. So by this simple step, you can easily record internal audio on AZ screen recorder. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more video like this. Hope to see you guys in the next video.